Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to APSACS online support program. Let's move on towards our English language session. Today's topic is paragraph writing. So what is paragraph writing? A paragraph writing is a part of creative writing. Paragraphs are groups of sentences that share a common idea. They are all written about a certain topic, just like friends usually share a common interest. Paragraphs often include examples or evidence to support a topic, idea, or opinion. So let's move on and let's see what are the steps to write a paragraph. So, these are the steps to write a paragraph. Step 1. Write an outline. When writing a paragraph, first write an outline of the paragraph and include the topic and the supporting information. So, here we have an example of step 1. So, our topic is my favorite sport is football. Now we can find out some points to make an outline that what we want to write down in our paragraph, that what details, what facts and figures we want to include in our paragraph depends upon your choice. Okay, so I have chosen some points that are related to football, the game of football. It can be like a fun, and it can be good for fitness. It keeps our mind active, and etc. We can include so many points like this, and at the end I consider that we should be careful while playing cricket. So these are the example of some of the points we can include in our paragraph. You can include more facts, more figures and more points in drawing the outline of your paragraph. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, step number 2 is writing the topic sentence. So what is our topic sentence? Football is my favorite sport. It is so much fun. So this is my topic sentence. You can choose any topic sentence of your own choice. Step number 3 is writing supporting sentences. So what are supporting sentences? Supporting sentences are actually the facts and figures which support that why you like football. For example, if this is my topic that I like football, this is my favorite game, so these sentences will support my idea that why I like this game, what are the reasons behind this, that why I like the game. So I would like to be a striker if I get a chance to play football nationally. Football is very beneficial as it keeps our body and mind active. My favorite football player is Lionel Messi. So you can add more and more supporting sentences of your own choice. Step number 4 is concluding sentence. So concluding sentence is a sentence which gives a conclusion at the end. So we should be careful while playing it because it can cause injuries, but that's our choice to play it for fun or health benefits. So let's move on towards our step number 5. That is final paragraph. So what will be the look of, or what will be the shape of our final paragraph? I would like to be a striker if I get a chance to play football nationally. Football is very beneficial as it keeps our body and mind active. My favorite football player is Lionel Messi. We should be careful while playing it because it can cause injuries, but that's our choice to play it for fun or health benefits. So, here we have another example or another sample of a paragraph which is about hazards of smoking. You, it means that the bad impacts of smoking on our health. So, there are several serious health hazards directly linked to smoking. So, this topic sentence, which is showing in pink area, it depicts the topic sentence and it is still telling that what is the topic of this paragraph actually, what we are going to talk about in this paragraph. That it is telling actually that what is the thing we are going to talk about. So the thing is hazards of smoking, that what are the bad impacts of smoking. Okay, now green. In green we have given all the supporting evidences, all the supporting sentences which will show that why smoking is bad and injurious for health. And at the end in yellow color, here is we have a concluding sentence, that this sentence gives a conclusion about the paragraph, and conclusion is clearly smoking is a dangerous habit and should be avoided. Okay, so this is the way how you can write a paragraph. Hope you will enjoy the video and thanks for watching. There is a task for you. Now you all know very well that what is a paragraph writing. Get ready to write a paragraph of 60 to 80 words on the topic a sport played in my country. And the success criteria is don't copy, write down about a different sport or game, draw proper margin lines, also mention date, classwork and topic. And your handwriting must be neat and clean. Thank you.